Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about a bathroom item. This is called the Magic Tub Stopper. If you guys would like some more information on the Magic Tub Stopper, just be sure to check my video description for more information on it. And it is a new product, so that's why it says new in the corner there. Just got it. I had to use this in my old house. I actually just recently moved, and very strange, but whoever lived here, and I don't care because it's so cheap to replace, but whoever lived here before took their tub stopper with them. I don't know why, very weird. But I had to replace it, and like that's totally fine. So I have just like your regular standard tub. It is like a jacuzzi tub. Still getting used to using it a little bit, but obviously you need the tub stopper to use the bathtub, or you have to like plug something into the drain, like a washcloth or something. For me, I'd rather just, for a couple bucks, pick up the Magic Tub Stopper. It basically fits anything. So this is what my drain looks like, regular standard size. And then this is the tub stopper. I just got a white one. It kind of fits everything. So it says fit all. Nice, light, rubbery, white. I didn't see other colors. I'm assuming they probably make other colors, especially because it says white in the corner here. So they probably have like, if you want like a different color, you could get that as well. Very easy instructions on the back. So it says Magic Tub Stopper is a multi-fit stopper that is great for sinks, basins, tubs, laundry tubs, and other drain openings. It includes a chrome ring for easy pull-out, instructions to insert push stopper into drain opening, and to pull the stopper out by the ring. So, if I wanted to, I have 2 kids, if I want to give them a bath in the tub, I can put the little tub stopper in and then take it out for a shower. Same thing for me. If I want to take a bath, obviously I'm going to plug up the tub and then take it out for a shower, so it just drains out really easily. And it tells you here it's distributed by CC Holdings. So it's just like a nice, easy product to have. And then you could easily store it away after, but honestly, I'd probably just keep it like here. You know what I mean? So there we go. Just to show you guys. So my bathtub, and like I said, I just moved, so everything's slowly at a time, but there's like some stains on here and stuff like that. I don't know what that is. I just didn't want you guys to think that the tub has like anything like clogs in it because of this, because it does not. This actually, all the water goes through it. I'm sorry, all the water goes through it when this is not in place, and when this is in place, nothing goes through it. So I'm going to go turn on the water so you guys can see. So that's like, yeah, that's like a permanent stain. So look how good that seals up the water. Nothing is going through it, and then everything will go through once I plug it and open it. So it's really nice. I love this. And like I said, it's so cheap, so why not have it? There you go. And when you want to drain the water, voila, just unplug it with this little ring. Can't get any more simpler than that. And like I said, makes for easy storage. I mean, you could just throw it in like your bathroom drawer, in the vanity, whatever. But I would probably just leave it up here, or I would leave it like up there in this wall storage thing that I have if I want to keep it away from my kids, because my son, if he's like in the bathtub, he'll probably take it and like throw it somewhere. If you have kids, you guys know what I'm talking about. So you see how, like, I just love how like it makes it so sealed that like no water goes through at all. Like you could see, like just a little bit of water didn't get out when I unplugged it, and it's just all gathering up around the drain. So I'm just going to leave it here for now. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend this if you guys need a little drain for your bathtub. I know sometimes like some tubs, like there's like a button you could press, especially these days, that will like plug the tub up, but mine didn't come with that, so I needed to buy one. And this is the one that I recommend. So guys, this was my video for the Magic Tub Stopper. And like I said, again, not just for tubs, but for sinks, basins, and laundry tubs, as well as other drain openings. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. If you guys found it useful, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks everyone, and I hope you all have a great day.